Building a website for your water heater installation service shouldn't be expensive and it shouldn't be difficult either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple website on the MultiSites platform for your water heater installation service. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've signed up for your free trial, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, go ahead and search for my market, water heater installation. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's start MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region here. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Let MultiSites work its magic and generate a website for me with the information I've just popped in. Great, and look at that. It literally took a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website of various projects and work you have completed. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to those services. Perhaps you don't offer all those services. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. You don't need to be super tech savvy at all. You don't need to hire anyone to help you. And you certainly don't need to know website coding. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Phone number, it is click to call, and our address, our physical location. Maybe you don't have a physical location, leave it off. But if you do have one, pop it in over here. Great thing about that physical location is when your customers click on it, will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a logo, head on over to the next section, click on update logo to upload it. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com or hatchville.com. I've personally tried both myself, both great services if you don't have a huge budget for a logo designer. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil to make minor amendments to it, like cropping it, rotating it, adding filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save, and here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just go through the various color palettes, choose one that is suitable for your business. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, it's super simple. Just click on update section, head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from. You now have the option to connect your Instagram account as well. With a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram photos if you have an account. Under update action, we can change that button, where the text on the button and where those buttons link to, even uploading a PDF file if you wish with more rates and services, maybe a catalog of your business. And update content is where we can make it a little bit more personalized to our business. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily get in touch with you. You'll find all your leads over in your Marti dashboard. You'll also get notified via your registered email account when you have a new lead. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, which is really important to make it look more personalized, professional, stand out from all your competitors, click on connect your domain at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet, you also have the option to purchase one as well via the MultiSites platform just by clicking on that button. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business, and really wishing you and your business mighty success.